How to make a Shopify logo. Stunning Shopify logo design. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be demonstrating how you could create your very own Shopify logo that you could use and upload on your e-commerce store. Now, there are two ways for you to be able to create a logo. Now, the first way that I'm going to suggest to you and what I recommend is by using Canva. Now, this method will allow you to manually create and build your logo using your own elements that you prefer, different styles that you prefer. Everything about the logo will be customized for you. Now, the second method that I could suggest is that you use AI to generate yourself a logo. Now, the logo or the AI that I will be recommending is called Leonardo AI because this platform will allow you to generate absolutely for free. You don't need to pay anything. Of course, there will be a limit per day. But as you can see here on their home screen or their community feed, you are able to see the quality of their output. So you are guaranteed that you will be able to get amazing results as long as you use the correct prompts. So let's start with Canva. In Canva, what I would usually do is I would look for the Instagram post or square over here because since logo are usually 1 by 1 or has an equal amount of height and width, I would use this size over here as our canvas, our size to work with. Now, Canva, like I mentioned earlier, allows you to manually build your design. Now, how does Canva allow you to do that? It allows you to do that by using the elements and text features over here. You could also upload some photos from an outside source or a third party. Like for example, you have sketched a design or you have a design or a component of design that you have created on another platform. You could use it and upload it on this platform as well. But the main things that Canva or the main things that you could use in Canva are the text and elements. Now the elements will basically allow you or give you different styles. So let's say for example, I would like to have a wave. It will allow you to see graphics, photos, videos, and even frames that you could use for your logo design. For example, in graphics over here, there's a lot of designs for wave over here. There's a minimalist style wave over here. We could change the color of this element. Usually most element will allow you to change the color. So that's really nice. So you could have something like this. Or you could search something else. Let's continue with wave and graphics because there's a lot of styles over here. Different types of style that you could incorporate together. Example, you have this one. This is also a wave. And you can choose whatever options that you want. You can also go with a more artistic style over here. For example, this one. And you could search for a fish, for example, a shark. Then there's a lot of designs for shark over here. You have a cartoonish, you have a realistic, you have simplistic. It depends on your preference on which type of element style that you want. There's a lot of style over here that you could choose from. So of course, it all depends on your preferences. For example, I could have this. And I could turn this into a darker color or like a black color, I guess. And I could make it a bit transparent, and there we go. Now we could have this as our logo for ocean-related topic. Now you could also do something else. We could change it to a different style actually. But the first thing you're going to have to think about in logo design is of course the topic, the company. What is the company about? So for example, it's about selling different types of clothing. So we could search here, clothing. Then you could check out the different graphics over here that would allow you to visualize the type of clothing that you could have. You could stick with or you could go with something as simple as this, or you could build different styles or different groups of elements. So for example, we have this, and then you could simply click on text, then look for a good font that you like. For example, I could go with the second one over here. Let's delete that one for now. There we go. Then you can simply put in the name of your shop. So for example, let's say clothing. Then the name is, let's say, Kikai, something like that. Kikai clothing. And then now after this, you can simply download this as a PNG or whatever file type that you prefer. So by clicking on download and PNG over here. Click on the transparent for me. I prefer that. And there we go. Now you can do the same for the Leonardo. What I suggest that you do here is look for a good style over here. So for example, there is very simple designs over here. Maybe this one over here. Open this. So what I usually do is I would look for a good style, copy the prompt, then I would generate with the model like that, and I'm going to paste the prompt that I got here. So now after that, I'm going to simply change the main topic or the main element in this prompt. So the main topic is a dog, so we're going to change that to a sweater. Here we go. And I think that's the one, or a hoodie. Here we go. Then simply click on generate, and let's see the output that we will be able to get from this. Now while waiting for this, let's go to Shopify and let's show you how you could actually apply it to your store. So simply go to the themes of your online store, click on customize, and click on theme settings. Now we have already downloaded the logo that we have created in Instagram, or rather Canva Instagram. And over here, simply select image under logo and upload image. There we go. Simply select that and it will upload the image that we have just created. Very simple, very straightforward. You don't need to be super complicated, but if you want, it could be as complicated as you want. There we go. You now have the logo on your store, as you can see here. And for the AI version, as you can see, you could do this as well. You could download this and then drag it into Canva and do the same style as well. For example, I could download this one and let's wait. There we go. Then put it here. There we go. Now we have this one. I could edit the photo. I could remove the background of this photo. There we go. Then I could change this title or text to something more fitting. Maybe something like this. Just like that. And I could change the name, I guess, to clothing. Or like it's, let's say it's sale for now. Then we could position it to the back. Just like that. And you could have it here. Then you could have something like this as your logo. Very simple, very straightforward. You could either do the AI version or Canva version. So that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, consider leaving a like and subscribe. You could explore other platforms. You're not limited to Canva or Leonardo. If you know other AIs out there or other editing platform, you are free to use them as well. But that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.